Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today's video is to show you how to do facial at home. So the things required are any facial cleanser or face wash. Second product is face scrub. You can use any face scrub. And third one is massage cream. And fourth one is sheet mask or any face packs you can use. So it is up to you. Then next one is pure rose water or any toner for this purpose, and vaporizer or a bowl of hot water, whichever you can use it, and a bowl of cold water or a plain water, and some clean towels or some cotton wools. So before that, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Samyukta Vinod, and like my Facebook page Samyukta Vinod YouTube. So let's start the video. So first step is cleansing or washing your face. So you can use any cleanser, specific cleanser or your regular face wash, and just wet your face and just clean it. Like as usual, how you clean your face, you just clean your face like that and clean it very well. And do not forget to clean your neck also, but here I could not show you, so I'm just cleaning my face. Then take a clean towel, wash your face, and then wipe it dry with a clean towel. Next, like for the next process, let's prep for the next process. So I'm just filling the water in the vaporizer and just switching on it. Next process is scrubbing. So for which I'm using Kama Ayurveda scrub. This is very good scrub. You can use any scrub for like whichever you have at home. Just scrub your face for not more than 10 minutes. So you're not supposed to scrub more. So that will just cause a inflammation on your skin. So just for 5 to 10 minutes you can scrub, and scrub it evenly. Do not concentrate only on one area. So as you can see, I'm just scrubbing it like around my eyes, around my mouth and all, and around my nose and all. So just do not scrub in a single place for a long time. Once the scrubbing is done, just clean your face using a cotton wool or a napkin like this, a clean towel like this. I prefer going with a clean towel rather than a cotton wool, as this is very easy to use when compared to the cotton wool. Next, step 3 is steaming. So the vaporizer is ready. For this purpose, you can use a bowl of hot water also. The steam is enough. It is not necessary that you should use a vaporizer. Just take a good enough amount of steaming and just wipe your face. This will ensure that your pores are open for the next process, that is massaging. I'm using Biotique's massage cream. I'll just mention all the product details which I've used in the description bar. Do not forget to check that out, and massage your face well in the upward motion. Like as you can see, do not drag your face like hand towards downward portion. So you have to just upward portion you have to massage. Then I'm using the same wet towel and cleaning it and then patting it dry using a dry towel. Next, for face pack, I'm using a sheet mask from Face Shop. You can go with any kind of sheet masks, or you can go with a face pack, whichever is convenient to you. So this is very good face mask, and it's a travel friendly too, and it retails for 100 rupees, but still you can get it in discount, like 7 masks free for 7 sheets. So buy 7 and get 7 free. So you can just put it on the face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. This is very good for traveling purpose also. You can just carry it. There is no messiness and there's a full of serum in it. So after 20 minutes, just remove the mask and just take that and massage it so that the excess serum in it can be used well. And you can use it for neck region also, and elbows also you can use it. This is very good serum filled face sheet mask. So this is like very good I would say. There are many sheet masks available. You can go with any brand. This is a Lotus sheet mask which I'm using. So it is infused with Lotus serum, and you can use the excess product for hands or elbows and all. So let it dry, and then last step is toning. I'm using Kama Ayurveda's pure Mogra water. This is very good for matured skin, and just spray it. You can use any rose water or Mogra water or any toner. So that's it, guys. Just do not forget, do all those things. Bye. Thank you.